What's up, everybody? We are finished with our latest project, the '02 Corolla, and we are going to put it on air right now. Meanwhile, these videos are designed to help you out, and all we've done with this particular car is try to increase its monetary value. Hopefully you will see some of that, and of course hopefully entertain you. If you get a chance, in the description we have our new store, Amazon store, all my favorite stuff in there. Check it out, you will totally dig it. And each day I'm changing and putting some cool stuff in there. So look, Gabe is our little understudy here. Gabe, get back in here into the, go over by this light. I want to show these people who we're dealing with. So he's our intern. Gabe, what year is this car?
02.
2002. What year were you born?
2002.
What does that mean?
It means this is my car.
This means it's old. Are we old? Am I old? This is 2002?
Yeah, you're old.
Please comment if we're old. If we're getting old, if this still seems like a new car to you, 02, please tell me on the comments. Meanwhile, you will see the headlight video. As you see right there, it came out very nice. The paint came out good. It was extremely oxidized. We had to do a complete interior on this car, which we will show you in just a second. Now, probably the coolest thing, which you will see on the videos that just came out, these right here were really faded, and it turned out that they were showing the stainless steel through them. Remember that, Gabe?
Yeah, I remember that.
We did a lot of work on that. He more or less washed. That's what he always does. Anyway, so this is what it kind of turned out like in the end. Meanwhile, still looks good, looks good. Let's check it out all the way around. Kind of slow it down for you, kind of get a good rotation. Like I said, this thing came out around $800, and be interested to see what you thought the value was increased to, if you even think there was a value increase. It's all the work. It is a LE, 140,000 miles, and it looks like we actually left a little bit of... Oh, Gabe, needed my assistant. Alright, so let's go into the inside of this thing. Alright. So, part of the deal is when you get these old cars that are just nasty or extremely dirty, you have to redo the interiors. Now, some things you don't do, like this little fabric right here, but somebody can live with that. As you see, the seats were professionally cleaned to look literally brand new again. Every detail was done, from the door jambs, all of the kick panels, everything, every piece of plastic in this car that can be removed was removed. It's all treated and cleaned. The carpets were all treated, cleaned. The door panels, all done. And probably an interesting thing that we also did, on the center console, we just completely disassembled it and cleaned it so it would actually look brand new and fresh. Oh, forgot our coin change dispenser, which we will put back in there. Of course, added a little steering wheel cover, and got some new mats, which I see they're a little dirty already, but all the little details are done. Meanwhile, let's see what the back seat turned out, which I thought was pretty decent. Back seat turned out really, really well. See all the door panels, everything's good. Anyway, guys, I'm kind of curious what you think this thing is worth. Maybe you think it's worthless. I don't know. Maybe you're not a Toyota fan. I like it. I think this car on the right day to the right person does about $3 grand-ish. Somewhere in that neighborhood. So she's a pretty solid little ride. Anyway, all the glass is done. Tires treated, wheels polished, windshield wipers redone. So, long story short, I guess it's a wrap, fellas, ladies and gentlemen. Anything you would like to add, Gabe, about our little adventure with the Toyota Land?
Nah, I think you got it.
Are you going to be around for some more of these, or did we kill you on this one?
Yeah, I'll be around.
He's going to be around. He's 15 years old. I feel like that's kind of like a wise, ripe age to be learning cars. What do you think?
Yeah, man.
Did you learn something?
Heck yeah.
Did you learn how to fix up your moped?
Yeah.
That work? Anyway, man, nothing but peace and love from the car man and Gabe. Tell him later, Gabe.
Later.
Anyway, we'll see you, man. Nothing but love once again from the RVA. Stay tuned. More stuff coming daily at 12 o'clock. Thank you so much. If you would like to as well, you can hit that subscribe button. And every day at 12, I'm sorry, it's the bell. If you hit the little bell sign, every day at 12, our videos will pop up and you can watch whatever we got going on that day. Meanwhile, love you, man. See you on the next one. See you tomorrow at 12.